こんにちは、日本語教師のAyanaです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habit and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the Japanese letters Katakana. I will introduce just 10 Katakana along with Hiragana and Kanji. If you haven't learned Hiragana yet, please learn Hiragana first. Let's get started. Actually, Katakana pronunciation is the same as a Hiragana chart. So that you will learn the Hiragana pronunciation first, then we can apply to Katakana. So let's get started. Hiragana に似ている字を覚えよう。So that means let's memorize the Hiragana Katakana, but which is similar looking to Hiragana. Instead of Aiyo Kakikukeko, the order on the chart, I will start to introduce the similar looking, so that will be help to memorize more quickly, efficiently. So to begin with, the Japanese script, katakana is used to write the foreign names or loan words. I will show you the example sentence. So in general rule, Japanese sentence is combination of kanji, hiragana, katakana. So let's look at this sentence. First two letter, this is a kanji. So person's name. Normally Japanese persons, people's name are written in katakana, especially if it's family name. So read as Tanaka-san. Then blue is in kanji. Then red is in hiragana. So as you can see, there's no space Japanese writing system. So that's why it's helpful to recognize kanji and katakana, hiragana. A particle is always hiragana, like a wa or to. These are hiragana. So Tanaka-san wa James-san to. So James is written in katakana, which is underlined here. James-san to. Konbini is also underlined. で、行きます。So that means Mr. Tanaka or Mrs. Tanaka will go to convenience store with James. So James is a foreign name, so written in katakana. Then konbini is originally from convenience store, like a deli. But they make it the convenience instead of longer one, convenience store, make it shorter, just konbini. Then 行きます. So just that's the brief introduction of how the katakana used. So that's the Japanese katakana chart. It's the same order as the hiragana, but the looking shape, the difference. So total 46. However, we don't use wo. This is a wa or no one, the middle one. We don't use it, so maybe you don't need to remember. So actually 45. Then we'll introduce them. Hiragana. So start with u. So this is a hiragana u, left part. Then this is a katakana u. Then also this right part it's in kanji. So this part called ukamuri. Oh, this is a radical Japanese kanji, radical, but that's the originally how the letter u became. So that's the u, katakana u. So aiueo no u. Next is ka. So as you can see, we are learning a similar looking. So if you compare with hiragana, ka has a dot here. But this one we don't have in katakana. Then overall, katakana are the more sharp line compared to hiragana. Hiragana has a lot of curves and round. So that's also difference. Then kanji this is a ka, read as a ka kanji. I don't mention too much kanji because I don't want you to overwhelmed, but that's the ka. So ka, ki, ku, ke, ko no ka. This is a ka. Okay. Then next is a ki. Ki also hiragana ki. is 1, 2, 3, 4 stroke orders, but the katakana key is a 3-stroke order. And the more straight line, a little bit angle go up, 1, 2, 3, like this. Then originally kanji is like a okiru no kanji. And this kanji become that this part is a key. So, kakikuke ko no key, this part. Next is ko. Ko is like hiragana is ko. Then katakana has add one more line here. Then originally kanji is like this. If you look at the, maybe kanji is more similar than ko, hiragana ko. So that's the ko shape. Kakikuke ko no ko. So next is se. If you look at the hiragana se, that's the se hiragana. If you look at the hiragana se, so se has one more line here. Then 1, 2. Then kanji is originally this kanji is used. The kanji is seka, sekai no se. So sa, shi, su, se. So se is this shape. Then he is maybe exactly the same as hiragana. Okay. Then kanji is this part is originally he. Okay. That's the ha, hi, hu, he, ho, he. Then next is mo. Mo is if you look at the hiragana, mo the top part will go through. So cross top part hiragana. But in katakana one, you cannot go through. Stop here, okay? When you write it. So that's the mo shape. Then kanji part is this kanji meaning is mo, like a hair. Meaning is hair. So that's the originally created the mo character. So mo is from malo. So ma, mi, mu, me, mo. So read as a mo. Then next is ya. Ya has a 1, 2, 3 stroke, but the katakana is just 2 stroke. Then katakana is more compared to hiragana, a little bit more simpler. Less stroke orders. Then kanji is this is a kanji originally. This if you look at the top part, it looks like a little bit similar to ya. Don't you think so? Yeah. So this kanji read as ya, often used as a boy's name or sometimes. This is a la. So hiragana la is like this. And then kanji is originally here, 1, 2, like that. La. So la, li, lu, le, lo. So like a pronunciation is kind of the combination of English like a R or L, la. And next is ri. If you look at the ri, hiragana ri has a flick here. Can you see my mouse? So flick, you need a flick. But the katakana ri is a fast stroke order, is just a straight line. Then second stroke is go curved like this. But obvious, it looks ri. So it's easy to remember. Then kanji is this. Kanji is rieki no ri. Okay? So repeat after me. La, ri, ru, re, ro. So all together. La, ri, ru, re, ro. So we have learned 10 katakana character which is similar to hiragana. So if you want to learn more, please check my online lesson videos.